Hello to all my dear friends, this is your sir SK Chobe. Welcome you all on your YouTube channel English Tycoon, where you get complete package of English academic and spoken English classes. Dear, this video I am making only for class 10th CBSE and ICSE board students. Yes, dear students, I know that you all are missing your school so much, as it has been a long time that you had not gone to your school. See, the whole world is facing this problem, so we have to cooperate with the condition. We have to go ahead. We have to continue our study in this condition also. And for that, your sir is here to give you your English classes. Dear, in today's video, I am going to tell you the chapters and the book which you will study in class 10th, as well as the grammar chapter which we have to study for doing the grammar sections. Dear, whatever you have studied in 9th, the grammar is almost same. In 10th also, literature is changed. 10th and 9th grammar chapters are almost same. But even I will give you the detail information related chapter and grammar in text form. So let's watch the video. So dear students, I am going to give you your detailed information related to your book, syllabus and the question paper pattern, that how many marks question comes from which section, and the total number of mark in your question paper. So let's see, it is here, English book and syllabus. See, this is the marks distribution. See, your question paper is divided into 3 sections. Section A, reading skill, that is comprehension section, that of 20 marks. Second is section B, it is writing and grammar. This section is based on writing and grammar section, it is of 30 marks. And third section is C section, that's called literature section, and this is also of 30 marks. So this is the division. This is your theory paper. So 20, 30 and 30, total 80 marks. And see, the next is internal assessment, listening and speaking. This is of 20 marks, and this way when you combine all these things, these marks, they become 100 marks. So this is total division of 100 marks. So 80 marks is theory, 30, 30 and 20, and 20 marks is in your school hand. This 20 marks you will get on account of your overall presentation in the school, listening and speaking, as well as your performance behavior, all marks marked by and noted by the school, and on account of that they give you marks. So if you want to gain these 20 out of 20 or 19, then you have to behave well, you have to be disciplined, and you have to be a good students also, and you have to give a good result in the school exam, so that school give you, teacher give you, and school and teacher both will give you full marks. So, and these remaining 80 marks you have to, for these remaining 80 marks you have to work yourself, you have to prepare well, so that you can score good in the exam. So now let's see. So this is the division of the paper question. This is the division of the marks of 100 marks division, how it is divided. So now let's see the book name. There are 2 books. First Flight in class 10, 2 books are there. First Flight, Prose, and this book contain both stories and poem. Total number of chapters in this book is 11 both, and total number of poem is 10, means total 22 chapters are there. In each chapter 1 poem is there. This is combined, one book, 21 chapters are there. 10 plus 11, 21 chapters. Now Footprints Without Feet, this is supplementary reader. This is a story type book, and this contains total number of chapter 10. Now next will be your grammar. So this is your 2 books. First Flight, Prose, Footprint Without Feet is a supplementary reader, and for grammar it is up to the teacher what they do, which the book they prefer, it is up to them. So now see the chapter detail, chapter name. First Flight, Prose, means story chapter. Chapter number 1, A Letter to God. This is a story, very nice, very emotional, and it's so the human being trust in the God also. And chapter number 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. It is about Nelson Mandela, South African, you know. Chapter number 3, two stories about flying. It is about a sport, story. This chapter contains two story in itself, and that is both are based on two person, though who try to do extraordinary things in the game, in the field of game. Chapter number 4, From the Diary of Annie Frank. This is a diary written by Annie Frank. Chapter number 5, The 100 Dresses. The 100 Dresses, a title show you, when you read you will understand that what are 100 dresses. Chapter number 6, 100 Dresses part 2. This chapter is given two chapters. They are both are related to each other. Chapter number 7, Glimpse of India. It is all about India. Chapter number 8, Meshville the Otter. It is about animal. Chapter number 9, Madam Ride the Bus. It is about this story of a small girl who desired to go to the city and how he ride the bus. It is all about that. Chapter number 10, The Ceremony at Banaras. It is about this chapter also contain two story that is related to the Varanasi. Chapter number 11, The Proposal. So these are the story chapter of Flamingo. Now let's see the poem. First Flight. Poem. Chapter number 1. This is a poem of First Flight. Dust of Snow. Chapter number 2, Fire and Ice. Chapter number 3, A Tiger in the Zoo. It is a poem. Chapter number 4, The Ball poem. Chapter number 5, Amanda. Chapter number 6, Animals. This is also a poem. Chapter number 7, The Trees. It is also a poem. Chapter number 8, Fog poem. Chapter number 9, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. This is also a poem. And the last poem is For Annie Gorgie. So these are the poem. Now let's see Footprints Without Feet. So it is a supplementary reader. Chapter number 1, Triumph of Surgery. It is about a surgery. The chapter is very interesting. Chapter number 2, the thief story. It is a story about a thief. Chapter number 3, The Midnight Visitor. Chapter number 4, A Question of Trust. This story, Question of Trust, is something about trust of a person and all about that. Chapter number 5, Footprints Without Feet. It is a story of a scientist. I hope that you had already read this. Chapter number 6, The Making of the Scientist. Chapter number 7, The Necklace. It is about a necklace. Chapter number 8, The Hack Driver. Chapter number 9, Bholi, a girl. It is a story of a girl. Chapter number 10, The Book That Saved the Earth. So these are the chapters. Now next, see grammar book. The topic which are included in the class 10th CBSE board syllabus are given in the book. It is up to the school which they prefer. You can also take any book from the grammar. There is no boundary, sir, which contain all these topics which I am going to tell you. See, determiner, preposition, modals, tense, narration, direct and indirect speech, voice, active and passive voice, rearrangement, gap filling, editing, omission, subject verb agreement, letter writing, formal informal both, story writing. Story writing can be asked in three ways. You may given a incomplete opening line, you may give an ending line, or you can give an incomplete story with hints that you have to complete. It can be any way you have to write. Number 12, dialogue writing or report writing. Number 13, notice writing. And number 14, that is unseen passage. First question of your paper, that is unseen passage. So this is all about your chapters which you have to study in class 10th. I hope that it is clear to all right now. So dear students, I hope that you have got the syllabus, the chapter and the grammar and literature chapter both, that what you have to study in class 9th. And I have also given you the book name, which book you have to study. See, now you are not able to purchase the book, you don't have to worry, you can download it from some apps available on net from CBSE apps. Also you can from there you can also download these books. There is one Diksha app also, on that all these books are available in the PDF format. From there also you can get it. So let's start class 9th regular classes. You are going to get regular video based on your each chapter, and if you have any doubt related literature, related grammar, kindly do comment in comment box so that I can know that and I can make video on that also and to solve the problem. And please do like, don't forget to like and comment, like, subscribe and comment the video. Thank you.